Good morning from Deepwood Glade. It's approximately 20 degrees. It's supposed to be 53 today. Weatherman saying we're going to get 5 inches of rain tomorrow. You can hear how crunchy the ground is. I can't wait till spring. I can rebuild that greenhouse. It's definitely not going to be there, and it's definitely not going to be made of aluminum. Trying to get better exposure with how bright the horizon is. Please subscribe to Kentucky Tree Farmer. Trying to get to that magical 1,000 subscriber mark. Then we get to make better content. Have a great day.